Greetings, humans. Today we're talking about hard drives, the metal boxes where your computers keep their secrets.
Hard drives.
Every photo, every video, every file on your computer has to live somewhere. That somewhere is the hard drive, the long-term memory of your machine. What exactly is a hard drive? A hard drive, or HDD, is a device that stores digital information. Unlike RAM, which only remembers things while the computer is on, a hard drive keeps your data safe even when the power's off. Think of it like a library that never closes. How they work. Inside, there are spinning disks coated in magnetic material. These are called platters. A tiny arm hovers just above the surface, reading and writing data using magnetic signals. It never touches the disk. Or at least, it's not supposed to. If it does, that's called a head crash. Basically, it's the computer equivalent of dropping a needle onto your favorite record and scratching it to bits. The history of hard drives. The first hard drives appeared in the 1950s. They were enormous, the size of a refrigerator, and could only store a few megabytes. Today, we can fit thousands of gigabytes in something small enough to slip into your pocket. That's like shrinking a library into a shoebox. HDD versus SSD. Traditional hard drives use moving parts. They're cheaper and good for storing lots of data, but they can be slower and more fragile. Solid-state drives, or SSDs, don't have moving parts. They're faster, more durable, and much quieter. No more whirring noises like a tiny jet engine. The trade-off is they usually cost more, but are getting cheaper as time goes on. Summing up hard drives. So, to put it simply, hard drives are the memory banks of our computers. They've gone from giant machines with tiny capacity to tiny devices with giant capacity. Without them, we wouldn't have our photos, our games, or that embarrassing folder you definitely don't want anyone else to find. That's all for this video on hard drives. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Share the info.